Well, 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 what do we have here? Well, it seems we have a Hoover Ultra. And it's a wind tunnel too. Well, I'm taking an initiative from Pamperchu because he said my videos are boring and I haven't been showing them doing anything but talking about these things and yada 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 and stuff like that. So, anyways, I will show you vacuuming this wonderful rug and hopefully not sucking up my shoestring like I did last time. That ended in complete disaster. And, well, if I set it to the right setting first. Or, come on, do it. There we go. Okay. So, without further ado, I'll show it running. Well, I think I need to put a new belt in it because I can smell the belt and something doesn't smell right in it, but it's not, I'm thinking I might not have changed the bag in this. It might be full. Haha, yeah, it's up to there. So that might be why that is loaded. There we are. And yeah, that's about it. It has all of its attachments, and it even has its two extension wands. Those are original. Crevice tools downstairs, and I have everything to it. But yeah, interesting little vacuum. The strange thing is, I got this for free, and I only had to put a new belt in and the control cable and the actuator arm, and that's probably about an hour's worth of labor, which I didn't mind. So anyways, bye.